Hi everyone, and welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. As you see, I'm in my old place right now because I'm doing some cleaning and some packing, but you know what? I didn't want you guys to miss the Keto Treat Day. If you'd like to see what I got going here, stay tuned. Welcome everybody. Good to see all of you and good to be back to my channel and doing my keto stuff again. Today is Keto Treat Day and I am the Keto Treat Gal. I know you guys are missing the Keto Treat Man and he's going to be back, don't you worry, but I don't want you guys to miss out on the treat day. I've made you wait long enough through all this move and everything. So what I've got today is not anything real special. I didn't make a recipe or nothing. I apologize for that, but I do have a great recipe coming next week that I'm going to make that I came up with all on my own, and I'm super excited and hope it turns out. So, but anyways, what I've got here is just a quick on-the-go P3 portable protein packs. These are awesome. They are all keto approved. I did it all through my journey. Yeah, it's going to be a little higher fat because you've got the cheese in it, but you know what? It's a perfect thing for on the go when you're hungry because it's pure protein. So that's awesome. Or another great thing to do with these is in the morning when you make your eggs, everything's all ready. Open up your pack and pour it into your eggs, and now you got yourself an omelet. So you can't beat that, right? It's an easy way to go. I don't know if you guys have seen these. Many of you probably have, but those of you that haven't, these are awesome. But you got to make sure, because a lot of these portable packs have things in it you can't have, like chocolate covered raisins, or it's got the raisins in it, you can't have that, or like fruits that you can't have. So make sure you check out the ones. These ones here that I have are definitely keto approved. The first one I got here is turkey, bacon, and Kobe Jack cheese. And I'll show you the side. I'm not going to open it and have any of these. I've already had them. I know they're delicious. But on the side here, it's just got the turkey, pieces of bacon bits, and cheese. Another thing great is when you're making those cucumber that I do with the ranch dressing. If you want to just eat your meat during the day and save this for later, you can make your cucumber later. So, what is this turkey? Yep, turkey, bacon pieces, and Kojak cheese or Kobe cheese. The other one is turkey, ham, and cheese. This one is just 2 things of meat here and a thing of cheese, which is going to be a little bit less fat because, well, these are processed meats, so it is going to have a little bit higher fat. But, oh, I forgot to tell you, the first one, the carb count on it, this one here with the bacon bits, the turkey, and the Kobe cheese is only a half a carb. So that's pretty good. This one here, the turkey, ham, and cheddar cheese is 2 grams of carb. Not bad at all. And then the last one here I got is turkey, almonds, and Kobe cheese. So that's another great one. You probably won't want to pour this one into your eggs. Just eat the almonds and then use the turkey and the cheese into your eggs. But this one here is the highest one. This one is 4 minus dietary fiber is 1, so it'd be 3 carbs. That's the highest one is only 3 carbs. So that's really great that the carb is really low. This one is a half a carb for the whole thing, right? The serving, yep, the serving is the whole pack. So half a carb, 2 carb, 3 carb, the one with the almonds. And that's just because there's almonds. But almonds are a great source of protein and a great source for your heart and everything. Really, really, really heart healthy. So the fat on them, though, is 13 for this one. The second one here is also, oh, this one's only 10. The ham, cheese, and cheddar is only 10 grams. And this one here is 13 as well because of the nuts. So it is a higher fat, treat. But you know what? That's why it's called a treat, because you're only going to do it once in a while. And quick, easy way in the morning for your kids, like I said, to make an omelet quick. You don't got to cut any cheese or nothing. And they're portioned out for you. So you don't got to portion anything. They already did it for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will definitely go out and try these. I got them from Walmart, but I have seen them at many grocery stores. Even gas stations have them. But again, make sure you look for the right one, because if they have, just look at the carb count in the back. If it's high, you know it's the wrong one to eat. So you want to keep it no more than 6 carbs in one sitting. I think one of them has like 5 carbs, I think it was. After you take off the dietary fiber, I think it was 5. I think that was the highest one. But anyways, These are so great. Great way to get in your protein when you're hungry, on the go, and you haven't eaten all day and you just need something to give you that boost, and it's all protein. Great. And like I said, great to throw it in the morning into your eggs, or just a nice little treat before you go to bed at night and you're hungry. So, and definitely awesome in maintenance mode. Have fun and eat these. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my P3 portable protein packs for my treat day of the week. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video, and my next treat day is special. I'm going to be making that one homemade. I love you guys very much. God bless, take care, and always remember to keep it keto.
Bye.